friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Dogday in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a small gap coming over on the right hand side, and we're going to replicate that. Now moving in towards the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in another circle in the center. Moving across now in the center for the nose, let's draw in a curved line from left to right. Underneath, we're going to arch this line around and then back up on the right. Now for the cheeks, we're going to curve this line out, back in. And then starting from that point on the bottom, let's replicate that again. Now let's close this off by connecting this with a nice big arch line. For the mouth, underneath both eyes, we're going to draw in a small curved line that comes down towards the bottom. In the center now, we're going to draw in a small straight line that comes down on either side, arching this out towards the corner. And then on the bottom again, just closing that off with an arch line. Now for the tongue, we're going to curve this line over, and then again on the left. Now let's close off the top of the head. So on the left hand side, we're going to create a nice big circle, curving this line around, and then in towards the middle. And then again, starting on the center, we're going to replicate this as we bring this over, and then down on the right. Now from the top here, let's curve this line around and then down towards our nose. For both eyebrows now, we're going to curve this line across. Moving on either side now for the ear, we're going to arch this line down. On the top of the ear, we're going to curve this line out, down, and then across towards the side of our page. And then now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this further out towards the side, and then just arching this in towards our cheek. Let's move down for the body now. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down on both sides. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. In the middle now, let's draw in a circle for the pendant. Moving around this, we're going to draw in a curved line now, so we're going to arch this line down. And then from each point, we're just going to replicate this as we come all the way around in a circle back in towards the top. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes underneath our chin. Now let's close off the rest of the torso by arching this line around and then up on the side. Now for the tail, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Let's move down again, replicating that. And then one more time as we move underneath. And that is it. That's how you draw Dogday in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.